watched Mission Impossible 2 for the first time, and I'm going to give you my quick thoughts. First and foremost, off the jump, a lot of slow motion. First 20 minutes, there's so much slow motion. I venture to say that the runtime could have been cut by like 15 to 25 minutes with 30% less slow motion. I'm now told the director, John Woo, was known for doing that a lot, and boy, you could tell. The other thing, the movie, early 2000s movies, so horny, incredibly horny, because like the whole story kicks off on like he getting sexual tension and romantic tension with the girl who's a part of the assignment, which is already, I feel like, breaking one of the rules, like you getting too close. But then they just like, at one point they're at the horse race and she was like, "What are you gonna do, spank me?" And Vin Rames walks up on them talking. This is Naya, is her character, and Ethan. And he was like, so incredibly hilarious. Also, the misogyny was crazy. The jokes, I get like a lot of people probably watching now and they're like, ew, but also like, ew, you get it. But like the misogyny was crazy. The Sean Ambrose dude, which by the way, he caught Naya's scarf in slow motion from being blown in the wind and wrapped it back around her neck. Goofy, hilariously goofy. He was like, women like monkeys jump into the next branch. Hey, wait a minute, sir. And then she was a woman of color, a black woman. So I was like, whoa. That was a little crazy right there. What was another thing? The action in this one was a lot better. I like the actual fight scenes, because I feel like in the first one, Ethan wasn't really like throwing hands like that. What was the other thing? Vin Rames was hilarious. Luther has some of the funniest lines I've heard. Homeboy was like, "These are Gucci shoes," and that pump put a hole in my Versace. Like, things that I feel like I would say if I was in that same situation, wearing expensive clothes while having gunfire shot at you. Why are you wearing Versace while gunfire is being shot at you? And then also at the very beginning, Ethan's mask off was taken from him. Why do they have masks of people's faces so readily available? Because at the end, when Ethan, he's trying to get the virus and the cure, he had a mask of his face, but then how did he know he would get the right-hand man alone to be able to take his swap faces with him, to be able to, they just have people's faces way too readily available. Side note that I forgot to say, along with the slow motion, Tom Cruise's hair, absolutely a paid actor in this movie. I mean, every chance they got, they was wind blown through the hair. Combine that with the slow motion, add another 10 minutes to the runtime. In the end, it was very much kind of like love story, a part of the assignment, but we'll be getting into Mission Impossible 3 soon enough.